G'day, my name is Anthony Landau, Managing Director of Equilibria Finance and small business owner. Recently, we have been fielding a number of questions and queries from our clients and from small business owners looking to understand their hardship packages on offer from Australian banks and providers through these times as a result of the current situation with the coronavirus and the associated impacts on their business and employees. This video looks to outline some of these provisions and options available to business owners. The focus here being on cash flow and relief and support that providers are offering as distinct from the government stimulus packages and business and employee packages that the government is rolling out and currently looking at legislating. Firstly, for all businesses, cash is king right now. And there are some internal things all of us as business owners can be looking at and doing. Firstly, look at undertaking cash flow modelling and scenario testing out to 6 to 8 months to understand the impact on your business. Understand what working capital you have at your disposal. Consider converting assets to cash. Look at negotiating with suppliers and your payment terms. Understand eligibility to government programs and offerings. And look at your employee situations with standing employees down or managing workloads through this time. And of course, look at reviewing existing finance and debt in place. So let's have a look at this. Banks and lenders across Australia have announced a range of relief measures for small businesses, including up to 6 months repayment holidays for loans currently in existence, with banks recently extending the eligibility criteria for access to repayment holidays for loans up to $10 million, an increase from $3 million. The updated policy would apply to now approximately 98% of all businesses with loans secured from an Australian bank. Extra funds have also been set aside by banks and providers for unsecured borrowing up to $250,000 for businesses with turnovers less than $50 million, with repayments freeze on the first 6 months. There's also been rate cuts up to 50 basis points. Existing clients with overdrafts can seek extension of these overdrafts. There's also review and restructure of existing facilities and access to term deposits to get your hands on cash you need now. Some considerations are you may need to demonstrate financial hardship and your cash flow requirements. It's also important to note that while your repayments are on hold, interest will accrue, and the provider may amortise this over the remaining loan term or may be open to extending the loan term at the expiry of the pause period. So just be conscious of that and be aware that if you're looking at asset finance, consider the shorter loan terms on these and the potential impact on repayments after the pause period. Essentially, there is help. Talk to your broker or bank directly to discuss your options. All lenders have hardship teams ready to help customers through these times. Thank you and take care and good luck. Cheers.